Hey guys, and welcome to another amazing epic video. And I'm here with Cat Goes Moo. So say hi. Okay. Um, that was mean actually. I need a better intro. Okay, go. I missed a few weeks. I don't know if they can hear you. I turned it up, I think. Hopefully. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna accept them right away. Oh. Okay. Here you go, Twinkle. You rock. Be my friend, please. Thank you. I'm not gonna accept them right away because it just makes it like, hey, the ceiling can't hold us. Hopefully they can hear you, or I'll be just talking. It sound like I'm talking to myself. You rock. Radioactive is my buddy. LOL. Animal Jam rocks. These are beta. Okay, is it pronounced beta or beta? I used to say beta, but then people said it was beta. Save for last. Okay. Okay, I love your shows. Thank you. Big fan, here you go. Please keep it if you can. Thanks. Loves, Juice. That's Lilac's thing. Juice. Thank you. Water. LOL, here. Oh, I just opened that one. Here's a gift. Thank you. You. Is this the rare one? Or will it would say rare on it? You love in any color, red or pink or my favorite color is blue. Animal Jam rocks. Thank you. Hi, I wanted to ask if you could add me. Um, I will prove right now. I have absolutely say hi. Okay. I have absolutely nobody space at all. And what the heck? Okay. I have nobody space. Stop asking me. I've already said add me on. I moved. Sis, I'm not even my own store. I'm not even my own buddy storage account. But add me on that. Oh, now I have to go back where I was. I don't even know where I was. No. Oh. Wait. Okay. Did I open? Yeah, I opened that one. Okay. Thank you for that. Stop staring. That's a cool user. Stop staring. Thank you. What? Cat goes moo. Wait. You're gonna choose loser goes now? Wizard. Oh, I thought you said loser. Oh, thank you. That's not from you. I'm sure. Thank you. Thank you. You're so epic. I am sorry if this is no good. It's good. I'll wear it on another animal. Hi again. How is your day going? By the way, I got this from Sky. Hi. It's been going good. Want to be buddies? No buddies, spies. Animal Jam rocks. And those are in stores now because of the diamond shop. Thank you. I'm a huge fan. Twinkle loves the sandwich you made. Lilac. Okay. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Here you go. Send back. Thank you. I will send back after the video because it just takes too long. Could you please replay something for this gift, please? I will after the video. Thank you. Animal Jam rocks. Thank you. Bow and arrows. Thank you. Oh. Thank you. Wait. Yeah, I just opened that one. Thank you. Thank you. I mean, but I understand. I can't. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, they're not beta anymore. Sorry, I forgot to send it now. If he loves, then sends me a warn. That's member. I'm sorry, but a member sword for a warn isn't that good. Can I get your autograph? Yes, after the video. Hi, you're on. Yay. I am on. Thank you. Sorry that they keep asking to buddy you. Okay. Thank you. Can he button me? I am a fan. I have no buddy space. Animal Jam rocks. Thank you. Hi. Hi. Thank you. Oh, I sent you my autograph. I don't think you did, but anyways, you're awesome. I am a huge fan. Here, see, you can rock out. Yes, I can rock out. LOL pizza and barbecue sauce. Here's my first item ever to have. Pizza and barbecue sauce? Twinkle, can you come to my den for a mailbox? This is a puppy. You're not on and your den is locked. That's a puppy? That made me laugh. Okay. I really have to stop laughing now. How is that a puppy? Is it a puppy that died? Okay, nice dead. Thank you. Big fan. Thank you. What? That's disgusting. Yeah. Sectional sofa from S Dog. Yeah. Why are we talking about fingers? Oh my god! It's freedom wings! I don't get overly excited. Like I do, but I don't scream. Thank you. I'm gonna keep those. You're my best buddy. And yeah, she's actually my buddy. Thank you. Here, sorry, it's no much. Thank you. Those, I wonder, what? Save for okay, I'll save that for last. Animal Jam Rocks. Thank you. Twink. Yeah. That's disgusting. Ooh, thank you. Well, I can bend my elbow bone from the ends. You know, like the elbow, like the end when it like just makes it. I don't even know what it's called, but like the elbow. Anyways, sure, I can make the one that's sticking out go into the inside of my arm. No, it's like if you bend it, it'll make like a V shape. Okay, you will need these to fly up above the world so high. Thank you. I remember that when those were like really rare. Animal Jam Rocks. Oh, thank you. I didn't even hear you. Thank you. Thank you. Slide. Oh, I have to open yours. Wait, do you want me to? There's two people that said save their gifts for last. Okay. What? I opened it already? It was like Adventure Time, the username. That's what I'm looking for. Oh, that one, I think. Yes, okay. Okay, so, save for last. Creature mask. Is that, or creature mask rare? Well, the beta one, I don't think I'd get sent to. The beta one. This video is getting really long. Hopefully this video, you guys can hear me in, or did I just... Okay, wait. Did I just pass it? Okay, save for last. I bet I'll get title. Is this like actually a reasonable gift, or is it one of your like pranks again or whatever? I don't know. Okay, should I close my eyes? Okay, they're closed. Is opening in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! It's a necklace! That's like totally the title? I'm gonna keep it. And I will keep it forever and ever. And I think I've opened all the gifts. And I will accept them all after this video because it just makes it laggy. If I keep accepting them. Say bye. That was okay, wait. Bye. Say bye. Okay. So wait. Okay. Thanks for watching. And forever and always, I am Twinkle. Bye.